Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Ghost Touch issue on DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. So, first of all, if you use the gesture navigation and experience ghost touches when trying to swipe between pages, then you should open Settings. You should scroll down to System, open System, then go to Gestures, and then open Navigation mode and tap the gear icon next to Gesture Navigation and adjust the edges of your tablet like this. So you can increase the edges, which will let you easier swipe left or right, or you can decrease them, which will limit the size of your edges to the minimum. Okay. Now, the other reason behind this issue is the screen protector, and to check whether your screen protector is causing this issue, we should enable developer options first. To do that, let's go to About Tablet, and let's scroll down to build number, tap on it like 7 times, then enter your password, and this will make you a developer, and you'll get a notification about it at the bottom of your screen. Now, once you are a developer, you're gonna have to go back to Settings, open System, then scroll down to Developer Options, and here you're gonna have to find pointer position, pointer location setting. Enable it, and then try using your finger and see how well your display detects your finger. If you see a slight inaccuracy in detection, then it might you might resolve this issue by only removing your screen protector. But before we do so, let's simply try to restart the tablet by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting restart. This will clear the temporary memory stored on our device and may resolve this issue for us. And if the simple restart doesn't resolve your issue and you still do not want to remove your screen protector, then try also wiping the cache of your applications by pressing power button and volume up key to shut down your laptop, like your tablet like this. Then wait for about 5 to 10 seconds until it's entirely turned off. And after that, you're gonna have to press and hold both volume down and volume up key at the same time. And while holding them both together, you have to press the power button to make the DOOGEE logo appear on your screen. So wait for it. Once it appears, release the power button and keep holding the volume keys. Now, this will get you to the recovery menu. Here you'll be able to navigate using the volume up and volume down keys. Scroll down to wipe cache partition and then select it with the power button. On the following page, navigate to Yes and select it once again, and then select Reboot System Now option to restart your tablet. After that, the issue should be resolved, but if not, then you definitely have to replace your screen protector with an original one, preferably. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.